Greetings, friends, and welcome to CP Careers. We are happy to come back to you with this new position, which is MuleSoft Developer, the senior MuleSoft Developer position that we have. We are hiring for a leading CRM software development company. The position is a senior MuleSoft Developer. Now, this is a remote only position. You can work from home from anywhere in the country. The company is offering a great package, bandwidth of 14 to 16 lakh rupees per annum. So this is a great package working from home. It offers you a great career. So let's dive into the position and understand what it is. The client is looking for 5 to 7 years of experience, total experience, wherein minimum 2 years should be in MuleSoft development. About the company, it's a leading CRM software development company globally. The position, in fact, has been launched on 6th of August, and we hope to close it by 31st of December 2020. So let's check out what it is. See, must-have skills. Now what we are looking for is the must-have skill should be MuleSoft, and a certification in MuleSoft is important. So what is going to be the job description? The job description is, as senior developer, is responsible for writing clean and flawless code to produce fully functional modules. So this is primarily the software which should be revolving around CRM applications, and your experience in MuleSoft development is what is the most important one. So you can check this entire thing on our webpage. The link is mentioned below in the description, so you can visit that and you can apply on that. So let's check out what are the kind of candidates that we are looking at. So friends, here we are. Let's check it out. What are the kind of candidates that we are looking at? What you should have in your resume? How many people are available with these kind of skill sets? The most important thing is, as we have discussed, MuleSoft. Experience, we are looking at 5 to 7 years. Location can be anywhere in the country. Now, are we looking at the notice period? Let's figure out how important is notice period. Okay, the notice period is not mentioned here in the job description. To our understanding, the candidate should have 30 days or maximum 45 days of notice period. Now this notice period should be the official notice period. No negotiations on the notice period is acceptable. So let's get back and find out how many candidates are there. Okay, 5 to 7 years of experience. Employment details, industry would be information. So IT software. So let's find out how many people are there who have some MuleSoft experience in the country. So here we are. So we have 1660 candidates available on Naukri with MuleSoft experience. So great. Now let's check out how many would fall into the bracket of salary expectation. Our client is offering 14 to 16 lakh rupees. So let's go back. So maximum salary that our client is offering is 16 lakh rupees. That means we would like to have candidates with 14 lakhs maximum package. Okay, 14 lakh rupees package is the maximum that we can consider. That means if you have a salary of in excess to 14 lakh rupees and your expectation is over 16 lakh rupees, please do not connect with us. What now I am looking at is the notice period, since we are looking for candidates with maximum of 1 month notice period. So here we go. So we have 227 candidates in the fray now. So this is our base. So Mr. Shyam Kumar, Mr. Nikhil Ragala, like to request, please have a look at our position and connect with us if this is sounding interesting to you. 6 lakh is the package. Our client would definitely offer you better than that. Here we go. So we save this MuleSoft developers. We set a resume alert. So thank you friends. If we go on, say, LinkedIn, here we are. So what we are looking at, MuleSoft developers. Wow. So we have 5,770 candidates, those who are there on LinkedIn. That means LinkedIn has a better database than Naukri. Okay, I think this is Pan India. Let's boil this down to India. Okay. So we have 478 candidates who are there on LinkedIn. Now we need to find out about the notice period, and no, LinkedIn doesn't give us the option of notice period, or does it? No. So Naukri gets an edge over this. search. Okay, we have 478 candidates. We'll have to find out how many would be interested from this database. Let's check out Shine. Shine is slow to start off. So friends, we'll conclude our search here, what we are looking at and what are the kind of universe which is there. And if you have any references, we request you to please share those with us. We definitely have a reference reward for the references provided to us. The internet is little slow. So friends, thank you so much. So I'll conclude my video here. Coming back to our website page where you have to apply. If you think that you are matching with the requirements and if you are interested, please apply here, submit your CV here, and if you have some queries, please you can chat with us. Click on this chat with us link and we will get back to you instantly on the same. Thank you so much. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and press on the notification link so that you can get an instant notification whenever we upload a position. We would also be contributing to the other aspects of your career development if you are connected with us, and we look forward to progressing together. Thank you so much. Have a great time.